and our lovely team captain, who are you looking forward to giving a tough battle for the crown this year?
With all honesty, when it comes to the battle for the crown, I mean, year after year, it's really unexpected. All of the teams here, I'm very sure, are putting their hearts out on the mats, and every team is stepping up the game year after year. So all of the teams, if everything hits, sometimes for certain seasons, you really could not predict who's going to be the champion. So all of these teams are really going to be a contender out there. So for me, it will all boil down to who's going to hit it perfectly, who's going to get the hearts of the judges. So everyone really has the chance to get it done.
Love that answer. Very true. You never know what's going to happen in the cheer dance competition. Anything you want to add?
For me naman po is this season po, yung kalaban po namin is the previous reading po namin. Hindi po namin kalaban ng other schools po. Ang kalaban po namin is the routine namin previous po. Kung paano po namin siya tatapatan. Ayun. Thank you.
Thank you so much. And that's very true, no? When you are, a part of a pep squad or doing the cheer dance competition, you always want it to be better than the previous season. I do have one more question from our friends from the East. Hello po. If you can share, what is the theme for UE Pep Squad?
The theme is more, it's related din sa thing namin last year, which is regarding nostalgia. But it's more on an icon, a Filipino icon. So, so we want to show everyone the entertainment na pwedeng i-handle as well.
Nostalgia from a Filipino icon. Very interesting. Anything you would like to add?
To add up na po, sex bomb po is a pop culture, an icon, and everyone knows it. Kahit yung mga maliit na bata, kahit sabihin mo, get o alam na instant. And abangan nyo sa December 1, yung 25 na tao, kung paano sila.
Thank you. Alright, you heard it here first from our CDC press con. Alam niyo na kung sino ang magiging team ng UE Pep Squad. So, that's my questions. I'd now like to open the floor to our media.
For UE, we won't disclose it for now, but for the performance, people can expect na kahit gano'n kalamin yung Moa Arena, papainitin na.
Papainitin pa rin ang Moa Arena. So very, not a straight answer, but something to look forward to. How about our friends from FEU?
Good afternoon. I'm Coach Ragal of FEU, and this year, first time namin mag-Disney team kami this year. So, we've decided to gawin yung Frozen na movie as a team.
Ang Moa Arena ay magiging Frozen dahil sa FEU, pero papainitin na UP Pep Squad.
So, pagkatapos ng open, may trangkaso tayo kasi mainit sa kanila kasi malamig sa amin.
Thank you so much, Coach. How about from the NU Pep Squad?
Hi, I'm Coach Jackie of NU Pep Squad. Ang theme po namin is outer space. So, we take in account po naman yung mga suggestions ng mga supporters ng NU Pep Squad. Kasi sinasabi nila out of this world yung ginagawa namin. Every time we go out for cheer dance competition. So, might as well, i-push na namin talaga yung out of this world. So, outer space po yung aming theme ngayon. So, pupunta po tayo ngayon sa Mars. Ganun level. Kung mainit, malamig tayo po sa Mars naman.
Thank you so much. Alright, we have two more schools. Coach, team captain, sorry.
Hi, I'm
Gani Capistrano. I'm the team captain of the Ateneo Blue Eagles. So for this season, we're sort of veering away from the usual CDC themes like movies and pop icons. So we're sort of focusing more on storytelling of how the universe began, mainly because it resonates with our team, because we started with a small number of members at the start of the season until we were able to gather more recruits and more members, where we were able to become a bigger team. And it's also a reminder for us athletes that we too are limitless and we can reach for our goals and set our own goals for the teams and see what we can do for our dreams.
Thank you so much, Danny. So very heartfelt, very inspiring. That's what we can expect from the Ateneo Blue Eagles. Lastly, De La Salle, would you like to share with us your theme for this competition?
So for the DLSU Animo Squad, as seen on our social media pages and even my hair, our theme is actually inspired by chess. But we wanted to share that our team is more than just a team. We wanted to put out a statement about not everything being black and white. And we wanted to portray a statement showing the final move, like the checkmate. So we want to show our queen's move. So for the upcoming competition this December 1, we're gonna be the queens, the kings and queens, and we're gonna show our final move.
So hello again everyone, I'm Coach Mark, the head coach of Salingawi. So for the past 3 years, Salingawi has used a theme which is something foreign. We've done Latin dance, we've had Lady Gaga and Blackpink, so all of those were more foreign. So for this year, we opted to do something which is very close to our roots as Filipinos. So specifically, we wanted to portray and to give that nostalgia feeling, just how it feels to be young free as a kid. So for this year, Salingawi and USP will be having Batang 90s as our team for the competition.
Hindi talaga kami nag-focus doon eh. Ang focus namin is to hit the routine. Kasi that's the only premise dito. Ngayon, kung palaro, kung hindi, okay lang din. Basta buo yung run team. Kasi para sulit yung pinaghirapan for the past 6 to 8 months. Siyempre, we only do this once a year and walang bago ito like the other sports na may next game ito, next year na yung next game. So, every year bago. So, kung mabubuo, may chance. Kung hindi, mas less yung chance. So, parang, basically, kailangan mabubulang yung run. Thank you. Ako lang talagang tumatang. So, with us, with any prep squad, siguro we still stick with our program and our system. We still believe yung effectivity nito. Through the years naman, naging maganda pa yung performance ng NU. We believe pa rin yung program namin is capable of winning championships in the next future siguro, and then for the next this coming season 87. So hindi na kami nag-change ng plan. We just wanted to show talaga sa every year may something bago ilalabas si NU, and siya na safe kung ilalabas natin at the same time something new para every year talagang nag-a-achieve tayo ng bigness for the sport itself. Hindi tayo sa stop up sa kung ano lang yung kaya ng bata. We have to push also